On that limb way up high.
Somebody needs to shoot that booger. He's coming down this tree.
Huh?
He's this tree right here.
He's in another tree?
Yeah, this one right here. Oh, I can kill this squirrel. What are y'all doing? Let's go, squirrel hunters. He's down. Here he comes. Get him, Missy. Where'd he go? He's in a knot hole here, one up this tree, one of the two.
I couldn't chuck the shell in.
Where is he?
He's somewhere on this big tree right here. He went in a knot hole. It's got a bunch of knot holes on it.
All up from down to China.
That's where he went in, though.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I should have brought my
Oh,
gun.
there he is. Is that him on the side?
I don't see him.
Yeah, that thing's hollow from China.
Yeah.
Dang. I'd have had him if I'd have had a shell in my gun. I forgot the shot. Tell you what we'll do though. We'll rattle and see if we can get him to come out of the top.
Let me get broadside on that limb that he could go up if we did rattle him. He came out.
That's huge. There it goes.
There he goes, Jake. There's a little flying squirrel with him. 2 or 3 flying squirrels. Did you get him, Jake?
Yeah, he
Where-
landed in the water though.
Oh, he did?
Uh-huh.
Mitchell swam right up top of him. He's right here.
There he is. I seen him. You
Mitch,
Mr. Randy, that's going to be pretty deep.
he's floating though.
Probably get him with that log, can't you?
Mitchie.
He's hunting.
Mr. Haney knows all these tricks, Jake. You know it? Got him that time. What, did it sink on you?
They normally will. Let's see if it'll pop up. He had a little buoyancy to him. But it might have been just in the fur. Come on, Mitt. Mitt. Come on back. Yeah, thanks, Phil. Went to sink. Probably should have gotten a real thin twig and just barely pulled him over. Oh well.
I know right where he is, but I can't see him.
On that fork that goes toward the river.
Yeah. You got it up there on that nut?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Hold on, man.
You see him, Mr. Haney? I got him.
Tell you what we can do though is let me shake this right here.
There he is. I got him. He's right there.
Alright.
Here, look, you want to shoot him, Jake?
I
See him
don't
right there?
see him.
There goes another one. Mr. Haney, get that one.
I see it.
I shot right on top of that squirrel and he never moved. What'd you just do? There he goes, coming down, Jake. Get him, Jake. Oh, you shot over top of him. You shot over top of him.
Shoot.
No, he's on that middle tree now. There's another one, Mr. Haney. We're not loaded.
Wait.
Be careful now, Jake. There he goes, Jake. Get him right here, Jake. Right there. See him going up the tree? Right here. See him going up the tree? Jake, you got to aim better than that, bud. Right there. Get him, Jake. Get him.
I'm reloading.
Get him. Y'all are killing me. He's on this tree right here.
I know.
See him right there? You see him in all that thick stuff right there looking at us? There he comes down. See him right there? Take your time. Bust him. There you. Oh, Jake, you wounded him. Hit him again.
All right.
Hit him again, Jake.
Oh shoot! I still have one in.
Hit him again, Jake. Now you shot that time. He wasn't even on the tree when you shot that time. Did y'all get him? There he goes. All right. There's still.
He was kind of stuck up there by a hole, Jake. I had to finish it for you.
Now, that's not the squirrel that's up in the top of the tree, though. That other one's still up there.
Never come down, did he?
He's still up there.
How are we going to get that one to move? Made all the noise we can make.
Yeah. I mean, he's up there just resting on that limbs where he's got to be. I quit watching him, but.
Let me get off back on the other side. Maybe we'll get him nervous.
There you go. Hit him again. Hit him again.
All right.
There he goes. He's down. Nice job, Jake.
Whoa, how many more squirrels are up there?
I think that's it.
Hmm.
Get your mouth on the squirrel.
Isn't it it?
How many was that we got out of there?
We got 3 out there so far. I'm not so sure this is the same one that was in that nest tree. Are you? There's a limb going to the left, and it's got a limb that's dead that's hanging off of it. And it's the limb that's hanging off is straight up and down, but it's not even attached to the tree.
Yeah, I see it.
And he's at the base of that little limb. There we go. Ah.
You see him, Jake?
No.
There he goes. Going up top, Jake.
No.
There he goes. Oh, he hit him. He's running. He's running. Mr. Andy, going to your left. Going to your left on the ground. Mitzi's on the trail. Jake, you hit that squirrel.
It?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hit a flying squirrel.
No, but I mean, you didn't hit him good though. He hit the ground running. That's not good. Yeah, she's over a tree over here. But it's a big knot hole. Mitzi's got her nose all up in the hole.
Jake, I'm coming over on your side.
Alright.
Oh my goodness. There's where he went.
Yeah, come here, Jake. You can see him again. There he goes. See him sticking up? Get him, Jake. Right there. Get him. See him sticking up?
No.
He's right where he was. Exact same spot. See him? His little ears sticking up?
Oh. No.
I mean, he's right there, Jake.
I think I can see his whole body over here, Jake.
Yeah, I can see his whole body right here.
Wait.
Jake, there's his head right there. He's showing you his head.
No, he's not.
6
Where?
inches.
I don't know 6
Look,
inches.
look. See that left fork? That's his head right
Left
there.
fork.
See it? He's moved his head right then. The left fork, the bottom left fork. That's
Look.
his head right there. See him moving? He's right there.
No, I don't see
Boy,
him.
you're blind as a bat.
No, I'm not.
Look at him right there.
I don't see him.
All right. See this left fork?
I
The
don't
bottom.
see
There
him.
he goes.
Oh,
There he goes. All right, bust him. You shot over him.
Oh, crap. Where is he?
All right, y'all got
You shot over him again.
I hit him. I'm telling you. I had it straight on him.
Shoot him again.
All right, I'm reloading.
Shoot him again. There he goes, Jake. He's running.
No, he's behind it. He's on your side, Mr. Haney.
Yeah. So come over here and get him. Alright, he's on that same branch.
There he is.
Turn around.
Get him, Jake.
Down. Right there. In that same fork. He's almost super strong. So if you shoot just to the right of that fork, that's him sitting up on the log. Know what I'm saying?
If y'all are right here, you could kill him. He's looking at me. Or get him again. Get him again. He's right here. I can see him. He's coming down.
Where?
He's somewhere right on that branch right there.
I got crap in my eyes.
I can't see him now, Jake. You need to go over on that other side.
On me.
There it goes.
Here he goes. Here he comes. Mitzi's got him. Oh, get him, Mitzi.
Ah,
Little Michael Vick action.
man.
Listen to that squirrel.
Hope you're getting that on film. That missed squirrel there. Oh, that thing, I think he had a Kevlar vest on.
See good. Jake, how many did we lose?
3, 2.
All right.
Including yesterday, it would be 4, right?
You have a good time? All right.